Testing, testing, checking in. We have moved. Still in the process of like unboxing a lot of stuff, and I don't mean unboxing like opening up new things, although I do actually have a new thing to open. I should do that. This whole wall over here is just like temp storage. As you saw in the intro, there's a lot of different things that I'll have on display at this apartment. I'm waiting for a good Black Friday deal to get a large, like, not storage, but like tiered shelving system, just because I want to have like a good proper background. I think it's kind of silly, but like I guess there's a lot of value in having proof that you're doing the thing that you say you're doing. Although if I show you this, that down there is a sealed master case of Spider-Man. I don't really know what more proof you need. Just a quick check-in. I didn't want to go 2 weeks without putting something up. Obviously, I could use like the community page. Oh, wait, I did also get something really cool. Limited edition Steam Deck. Sick. Can't wait to play that today. And I guess if we want to get this... Oy. Yeah, this one's for me. I really want, like, really want that Ed Zardy card in my binder. So, we open this bad boy up, because this was not supposed to stay sealed. I've actually just been waiting for a good reason to open it. Nothing fall out. Ed Zardy! That's so cool. It's a very pretty card. And then I actually don't even know how many packs of Phantasmal Flame should be in here. But I guess we could check. We could also rip one here on cam. Wait. Also, the wrapper on this? Oh, I hope the card is okay. I don't know. Yeah, the wrapper on this was terrible. Monsters. Also, I think the Oricorio is in here too. Alright. One for the road.